Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we have the top 5 most bizarre medical cases that I've seen in a long time. Each one is more bizarre than the previous. Before we get started, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Our best medical videos are age restricted, and the only way to see them is to click like and select the bell for notifications. Alright, here we go. Number 5. Eye tattoos. Eye tattoos have been trending for the past few years. They first gained popularity in prison when people would take the ink from a pen and put it into the white of the eye. It's now done by professional tattoo artists, but most medical professionals do not recommend this beauty procedure. It can cause pain, blurred vision, or even blindness. Number 4 is a bizarre one for sure. Go ahead and leave your comments below. We'll come back to it at the end of the video with more information. Can you diagnose this condition? Number 3. Igor Vavkavinsky. I think I'm saying that right. The 7'8" man was officially named the tallest man in the US a few years ago. He has appeared in movies like Hall Pass. He followed the Obama campaign and is known as the world's largest Obama supporter. And he says that he's too big to fit on a commercial airplane. Oh yeah, and in case you're curious, his custom shoes cost $25,000. Let's hear from Igor.
If you don't already know, my name is Igor Vovkavinsky. In 2010, I got the award for being the tallest man in America while being on the Dr. Oz show.
Number 2 is Danny Walsh, who used football as a motivation to beat his eating disorder. In 4 months, he gained almost 40 pounds, and he looks much healthier. Nice. And number 1, the Hercules kid. Remember him? Here are some images and clips of what he looks like today. I can't tell if he's in good or bad shape. Well, there he is on fire. Any opinions? Finally, back to the mystery image. It's malignant blue nevus. The 77-year-old male had a history of changing lesions on the left forehead and right temple. These areas have been enlarging and thickening over the last few years. A review of his history showed he had a first lesion removed from his scalp 15 years ago that recurred locally and was thought to be melanoma. Over multiple years, he's had worsening of the blue pigmentation on his forehead and temples. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell, and we'll see you next time.
Sometimes I had a hard time falling asleep, especially before big events at work. My mind would race. Rest more allows my mind to relax naturally, and it helps me get to bed at the same time every night. Now I am wide awake at work because I sleep well at night. Thanks, Rest More.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night. If you'd like to get an extractor kit of your own, we did some looking around and came up with this one. It's compact, has steel instruments that won't corrode like a lot of the cheaper sets, but the price is very reasonable too. Good variety of tools and just an all-around solid kit. Use the Amazon link below and it ships quickly from the US. So you won't have to wait long before you start popping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. We've got new content all the time.